The big bright sun, it fills Neha'S room with a warm smile. Neha. Oh my eyes! Now it's the sun waking me up. Why can't he let me be? Even this wish of Neha'S come true. Next morning, the sun is behind the clouds. So Neha snores till she hears her mother's voice. Mother. Wake up, sleepyhead. You will miss the bus. Oh no. Why does mother have to wake me up? There is no escape now. Neha gets up and gets ready. Can you imagine what happens the next day? Neha wakes up with a start. Her watch says it is 6 o'clock. She calls out to her mother. Ma, who woke me up today? Mother smiled. Who else? You, of course. But I was sleeping. How could I? Now tell me, why do you eat your lunch every day at 1 in the afternoon? I feel hungry. Why do you sleep at 9 every night? Because I feel sleepy. There is a clock inside you which tells you when to eat, when to sleep, when to wake up. Oh, I better rush now. I don't want to miss the bus. Relax, today is Sunday. This is about Neha'S alarm clock, which started on Wednesday, ended with Sunday.